Chapter 1, Numbers and Calculations. Unit 1, Irrational Numbers. So in question 1, we have to figure out which of these numbers is an integer or rational number. Question 1a, 9 square. It is an integer, so I'll put I and the answer is 3. Square root of 19. It's irrational because it's not a perfect square root. So I'll put IR. 39, it's the same, irrational. 49 is an integer. The answer is 7. And the last one, 99, is irrational. In this question, we have to figure out if the value is an integer or surd. A surd number is an irrational number that has square roots or cube roots, and these are called surds. The first one is 100. The square root of 100 is 10, so it is an integer. There is no square root of, there's no cube root of 100, so that is a surd. And for 1000 square root, there is no square root for that, so that is also a surd. In this question, we have to find, is each of these numbers rational or irrational? Give a reason. So A is irrational because the square root of 2 is irrational, so we can see it is irrational. This is rational, B, because 2 plus 2 is 4 and the square root of 4 is 2, so it's rational. And the last one, there is no such thing as a square root of a cube root of 4, so we can say it's irrational. In this question, we have to show that this statement is true. 7 is less than the square root of 55 and the square root of 55 is smaller than 8. So first we'll put a square on the two numbers here. So 7 square is 49. And we'll write 55 as a normal number. And 8 square is 64. So 55 falls between 49 and 64. So we can say the statement is true. So 7 is smaller than the square root of 55. And the square root of 55 is smaller than 8. In this question, we have to find out, without using a calculator, find an irrational number between 4 and 5. So we have to find an irrational number, and that is like our previous question, the square root of 55. So this square of 4 is 16, and for 5 it's 25. So the rational number can be between 16 and 25, any number between 16 and 25. So it can be the square root of 17